It's raining. I have some other jobs to do. The vacuum cleaner broke down like I think 2 weeks ago, and I thought I will open it up and see if I can fix it, so I don't have to spend money on that. But yeah, let's see. Ha! I can see now what's wrong, I hope. This here notch holds the axle there, and that's off. Yeah, maybe. Let's hope. Yeah, I don't know if it works. Yeah. So far so good. And does this work? Yeah. Let's try firing it up. Unfortunately, it just rattled and sent out a plume of smoke, and that was it. So it's dead. Yeah, too bad. Hello folks. A lot of heavy rain and everything is soaking wet. And just now there was a hole in the sky, so the sun came down. That's nice. But I still have a lot of firewood to chop, so I might as well do some of that. And I think I'm gonna go for a walk in the woods later. See if there's some wild fungus around. Yeah, the wood stack's been growing during summer. I got 3 rows there, 2 rows there, and each row contains 2.1, I think, around 2 cubic meters. So I got at least 10 cubic meters, and I've still got loads to chop and stack, but I need it, and the more I have, the better. You don't. Hi, hi. Yeah, me and the boss lady out for a walk. Here's is still at home sleeping. Yeah, a cat that behaves like a dog and a crazy one. Yeah, I'm walking down this deer trail. It's really a well-used one, because last year I found a lot of chanterelles down here, and I can see they are out of the ground right here. A couple of weeks of rain have made them grow. That's too small, but look, that's another one just here. I got these until now. Yeah, and this basket here I got from some visitors. I'm in a Facebook group for Danish people owning a house in Sweden, and some of them have been writing to me they've been writing to me for, yeah, if they could come and have a look at the cabin built, and of course they can. And yeah, oh. And they gave me this as a present for, yeah, picking mushrooms or whatever, and it's handmade, so that was really nice. Yeah, but I'll continue the hunt here and see if I can find some more. Where's the boss lady? Oh, she's right here. Mila! Meow! Oh my god, now she's climbed up a tree. Come on! Hi hi! Now again. She's such a wild one. Yeah. Following along. Yeah. Forest cat in her right environment. Now it's time for a cup of coffee, and boss lady's around here somewhere. Maybe she's standing at the door waiting for daddy. Let's see. It's me, lamb. Ah, I can hear her. She went the other way around. Come on, going home. Yeah. Yeah. Got this piece of lumber lying. It's what's left from making the plate locks, and I just thought maybe I could turn it into a half lock at the bottom of B-wall. I just measured, and yeah, it could be, so I'll give it a go. And this piece of lumber, it's hewn on this side and planed on this side, but yeah, the outside's going to be visible, the inside's going to be under the floor. This is somewhat there. And this has to be lift it just a little bit. I think that'll work. And then I'm going to round it edge here and burn this side down there. Yeah. And I'm going to clamp these on to hold it up until I get made, till I made a foundation. Yeah, let's go out and have a look outside. Yeah, I think that looks quite okay. Not bad at all. It's okay, chink and gap and all. Yeah, nice. Nice. So. I'm sawing rafters, and I'm gonna make them depending on what size the logs are. They're gonna be between 3.5 and 4 inches thick and 7 inches high. I could maybe go to 7 and now, because the next one is skinnier than this, and they are only gonna be 4 meters long, so I can make some boards out of the rest. But anyway, this is 10 3/4, but that's the good side. Down here it's just 7 2 or 7 1/8. But I'm gonna make, I had planned to make them both at one go, but they are a bit uneven, so maybe I can take a little bit less of one side and a bit more of another side, depending on the curve on the log. So I'm going to do it one at a time. Takes a bit longer, but then I'm sure I don't make any mishaps or waste a piece of good lumber. No, I won't waste it, because then I could cut it up to something else, but I only have a certain amount left. So yeah, on with the job. Fixa dem där så de passar på öronen. Och nu ska vi ha den här. Där. Nu tittar vi här. Ja. Det ser ut till att där kanske vi ska göra en istället. Prova. Ja. Där. Och så gör man så här. Och då pressar man på det. Yeah, got the mill cleaned up, and a bit of waste here, some boards and something over there, yeah, and the boss lady. And all the rafters lying here, 6 of them. Did that today. And I cleaned my my rain gutters on the house and on the porch, and that one on the porch I had to fix because it was a bit too low in this end, so the water was collecting down here. Now it's fixed. Yeah, time for dinner. Now I'll take down that ladder, or else the boss lady will climb up that and onto the roof, I guess. Yeah, you never know. Lovely evening. Hi, hi. Yeah, we'll go in and have some dinner, yeah? And she's been busy today. 2 mice, a small bird and a squirrel. Yeah, the bad boss lady, the bad lady. Yeah, come on. Yeah, going home. Come on, going home. Yeah.